हाउ डिड यू लाइक स्टार्ट लर्निंग एवरीथिंग अबाउट वेब3? कोई टूल्स या कोई वेबसाइट्स जहां से आपने सीखा हो वेब3 के बारे में? सबसे ज्यादा इन डिमांड जॉब्स कौन सी हैं वेब3 के सर्कल में?
अगर तुम किसी प्लेटफॉर्म में बग ढूंढोगे तो तुम्हें ऐसा $1 लाख मिलेंगे।
सैलरी पैकेजेस क्या रहते हैं फॉर फ्रेशर्स?
आई एम अ पर्सन जो टेक्निकली पूरी जिंदगी इंट्रोवर्ट रहा है, जिसने 12th के बाद पढ़ाई छोड़ दी है, जो कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से आता है, एंड आई हैव अ प्रीटी डिसेंट पैकेज ऑफ रफली 40 LP, और मैं अभी 21 का हुआ भी हूँ।
नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द क्यूरियस पॉडकास्ट। आज का पॉडकास्ट काफी अलग होने वाला है और यंग जनरेशन को बहुत मोटिवेट करेगा। अगर मैं आपसे कहूं कि एक 20-year-old स्टूडेंट है और अडल्ट है एंड वो एक कंपनी में मार्केटिंग को हेड करते हैं एंड करीबन 40 to 50 lakhs एक साल में कमाते हैं, तो क्या आप मेरी बात पे विश्वास करोगे? नहीं करोगे ना? कमेंट में लिखकर बताना कि आप मेरी बात पे विश्वास करोगे या नहीं करोगे। नहीं कर रहे हो तो करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज वी हैव द लिविंग एग्जाम्पल सिटिंग राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस। वेलकम टू द शो तुषार, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग टुडे?
Thank you so much for the warm welcome, Pooja, and I'm feeling great. I'm really excited, and yes, I am going to turn adult now in the next month. So yeah, that's the. But I'm already excited.
राइट, सो मैंने ये जो इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, इतना लाइक यू नो कैची सा इंट्रोडक्शन दिया एंड पीपल आर ऑलरेडी इंट्रीग्ड कि भाई क्या किया है बंदे ने, ऐसा क्या, कौन सी आईएम की डिग्री है, कौन सी लाइक हार्वर्ड या स्टैनफोर्ड की डिग्री है जिसकी वजह से ये 20 years की एज में इतना जो है अचीव कर लिया है, एंड लाइक इज दिस पर्सन हैविंग द आईक्यू ऑफ एन आइंस्टाइन? और ये सबके दिमाग में ये क्वेश्चंस आने स्टार्ट हो गए होंगे। सो आई वांट यू टू टेक द लीड फ्रॉम हियर। टेल अस अ बिट अबाउट यू। ऑल्दो आपके पास अच्छे खासे फॉलोअर्स हैं ट्विटर पे, बट आई बिलीव लाइक a story that is unheard till now. Like, tell us about how you got into marketing, how it all started. Over to you.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, again, I don't have Harvard or IIM ka degree. To be honest, I don't even have a degree. I left studies after 12th standard.
Okay.
Yeah, but by the way, just to give some background, I come from a Sindhi family. I'm as a proper Sindhi, and as there's this saying कि सारे के सारे सिंधी धंधे में आते हैं. मैं बचपन से धंधे में हूँ. I was in like 5th, 6th standard when I started the first ever business, which was running a pirated movie ki selling in 3 to 4 schools through a couple of my friends.
Okay.
Started with that, did door-to-door selling, did t-shirt printing, freelance photography, दुकानों पे बैठा हूँ, मैकेनिक के पास, मोबाइल रिपेयरिंग, all that stuff. Did all those things throughout my school life, and then I mean lockdown came when I was around 10th or 11th standard, if I'm not wrong. 10th standard खत्म हुआ था, ऐसा छुट्टियां शुरू हुए, एक दिन हुआ था, अगले दिन मोदी जी आके कहते हैं कि संडे को बंद है 24 घंटे के लिए। हमने कहा ओके, नो वरी, संडे के बाद तो चिल करेंगे। फिर ऐसा एक हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते ऐसे बढ़ता गया, फिर लॉकडाउन शुरू हो गया, एंड एट दैट पॉइंट आई गॉट used to this content creation, marketing, and all. I was part of this cool program called Learn and Intern by Kanishka Thakur. She's a career counselor, and in her program, what she basically said कि वो सबको ऐसा digital marketing सिखाएगी और उसके बाद internships भी देगी. I'm like, well and good, let's do this, cause और कुछ था नहीं lockdown में करने को. I did that. I got my first internship at a mental health startup as a social media manager. I was getting 1,500 rupees a month, but that was like a start in this online ki dunya. Then I became part of this community called Avalon by Varun Maya, Shashank Urupa, and Abhinav Arora. I was part of that community. I learned a lot. I met crazy folks. I made new friends. And through that, I started my own community called InfoHub, where I used to host sessions. Then I got into Twitter. I got into Twitter Spaces. And I started my own podcast also called Let's Talk with Tushar. It was part of a program by Spotify. I was one of the top 5 podcaster in India at that point. In that specific challenge, which was Voice of Anchor by Spotify, as part of that. So in that, I was in top 5. That was crazy stuff. And because of that podcast, I got my first proper job of being a podcaster. Like, I got a job from a US based company to run a podcast of digital marketing, where I was talking to world's best marketers, people who take care of marketing of Disney, of Marvel, DC, and all that stuff. So that was fun. And yeah, all that was going on. But then I left that job and I decided कि कुछ crazy करते हैं.
Okay.
I got introduced to Web3 and crypto and all in 2017, when I guess it was banned in India by a Supreme Court, or by RBI, yes, if I'm not wrong, by RBI.
Hmm.
They came one day and said कि ये illegal है. वो
Hmm.
केस चला 2 3 4 साल तक, and then Supreme Court said कि ये illegal क्यों है, नहीं है.
Hmm.
So current, even right now, crypto is a very grayish area, and that's why many people who work in crypto also don't reveal that they work in crypto, or
Hmm.
they work in finance and all. So yeah, अभी भी अगर कोई क्रिप्टो कंपनी में काम करता है तो इससे कि हम टेक कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं, just to be safe, because there have been many cases where people, लोगों के बैंक अकाउंट्स फ्रीज हो गए थे, कुछ लोगों को जेल हो गई थी, क्योंकि हैकर्स, स्कैमर्स बहुत लोग भरे पड़े हैं in every
Absolutely.
industry.
Hmm.
Yeah, I was already introduced to crypto. I knew ये सब क्या है and all. And at that point, I got introduced to this influencer called Rishi on Business. Uh,
Hmm.
and he was building this company at that point called Unbank, which was nothing but education of Web3 to students and helping them get jobs. So I
Hmm.
started contributing in his community, and he one day came and told me, Tushar, why are you doing it for free? I'm like, good question. I don't know why I'm doing it for free. He told me that join Unbank, help me with all these things, and I'll pay you and all that stuff. I joined Unbank. I shifted to Bangalore. He told me you work for Unbank and I'll take care of your living expenses, food,
Wow.
everything. उसने मेरे लिए फ्लाइट की टिकट भी बुक करके दी, बोला तू बस आ जा. And I'm
Hmm.
like, let's go. And इस तरीके से मैं 3,000 रुपए लेके बैंगलोर पहुंच गया.
Mhm.
With just like influencer told कि आ जा, मैं आ गया ऐसे.
Hmm.
And technically that's how I started working in Web3 ecosystem. Till this
Okay.
point, I already had decent following on Twitter, though it was not Web3, but it was decent, of roughly 9 to 10,000 followers. Uh,
Hmm.
but then I started working in Web3. I was helping Unbank with partnerships, with content, with outreach, with offline workshops and all that stuff, which overall gave me experience. And at the same time, I was also using Web3 products. So my overall
Okay.
on-chain activity. So there's this thing in Web3 called on-chain activity, which means the more, like in Web3, everyone have this thing called wallets. And the
Wallet,
more
yeah.
you use different products in Web3 through that wallet, your overall on-chain activity increases, which means the activities you have done on the blockchain. So I
Hmm.
was trying out products, I was increasing the on-chain activity and all that stuff. And that's how I got another job where I was building communities on a global level of Web3 full-time founders, and also events and all at the same time parallelly. After that, I started working on freelance basis with some of world's largest Web3 companies, and that's how like everything went on. And now I'm working at my current company, which is like Showdown Gaming, as head of marketing.
Hmm. Wow. What an interesting and eventful like journey so far. Okay. तो जैसे आपने बोला कि 2017 में you got introduced to the world of Web3, right?
Yeah.
And then like you did a course with Rishi on business जिसमें आपने सीखा कि कैसे Web3 को use करना है, the tools that you have to use.
No, so it was not a course. I was just working with him.
Okay, you
Uh,
were just working with him.
yeah.
ठीक है, right. And so पहले मुझे ये बताओ कि आपका जो 11th-12th में बैकग्राउंड था, वो कॉमर्स से था या साइंस से था?
It was commerce. Yeah.
कॉमर्स।
Yeah, it was pura
ओके,
commerce.
ये तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग हो गया क्योंकि यूजुअली लाइक टेक्निकल चीजों में इंक्लिनेशन जो टेक बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं उन्हीं का रहता है। सो हाउ डिड यू लाइक स्टार्ट लर्निंग एवरीथिंग अबाउट वेब3? कोई टूल्स या कोई वेबसाइट्स जहां से आपने सीखा हो वेब3 के बारे में?
I mean, again, the easiest way is try it and find out yourself. But if someone, let's say, need a starting point, because again, everyone don't either have enough time or they are not sure कि अगर try भी करना है तो क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, all that stuff. So, like two things that I generally suggest anyone who want to get into Web3 and all is, one of the world's largest venture fund in Web3 ecosystem is called A16Z, A16Z. Uh,
Yeah.
when you search on Google A16Z space startup school, you get this A16Z startup school's link where you will find 20 videos of the startup school that they hosted 3 years ago and last year. And in those videos, basically basics of blockchain to building games on blockchain to governance to technical side, building applications, all those things are explained. So whenever like someone asks me, Tushar, how should I start learning? I suggest them to watch these 20 videos, and it will, till a great extent, will give you clarity and understanding of the fundamentals of blockchain. And once you
Mm-hmm.
will watch all these 20 videos, each video lasting for 1 to 1.5 hour max, not more than that. And once you watch all these videos, then you will yourself have some questions that you heard this word, but you are not sure what does this word mean. The next
Mm-hmm.
step is searching out these words. There are very cool YouTube channels like Whiteboard Crypto is there that I personally watch a lot. CoinGecko is there. Bureau is there. Bitcoin Bureau, Coin Bureau. That is there. Coin Bureau. That's one YouTube channel that you can watch, because all these channels have playlist and series of explaining Web3 terms, concepts, etc., etc. Plus, at the same time, Coin Bureau, which is technically one of the largest Web3 channels in the world, they give weekly updates. They are uploading one video on daily basis, which talks about some of the recent events happening in the crypto scene. These things can be done, and then like once you have some basic understanding of the fundamentals and all, then you have to get your hands dirty, which is by trying out Web3 projects.
Okay.
And when it comes down to that, I generally suggest this website called layer3.xyz, which is technically an ecosystem onboarding platform. But as a user, if you use layer3.xyz, it gives you step-by-step instructions of how to use Web3 projects. It gives you explanation, it gives you a step that you have to take, then you can verify that you have took this step correctly or not. So it's like a proper guide for experiencing and trying out and getting into the Web3 ecosystem. So yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
mean, this can be like a good starting point for anyone who have no idea about Web3. Understand the fundamentals, try out products in layer 3, and then you will understand yourself and be part of community. That's the most important part, because one thing that I'll say, the whole Web3 ecosystem, the best thing about the whole ecosystem is the community that it have built.
Mm.
You go to any city, any country, if you search there's a community of Web3 folks or not, there will be for sure. Like,
Mm.
if we talk about India, one of the largest Web3 community, of course, is in Bangalore, but the second highest is in Jaipur, which no one expected.
Wow.
People might think, okay, हैदराबाद में बड़ी Web3 community होगी, दिल्ली में होगी, मुंबई में होगी, नहीं, जयपुर में. Uh,
Wow.
so, like Web3 have brought people together, communities बनाई है. So when you are learning all these things, I'd suggest to be part of these communities, contribute in these communities as much as possible with the limited understanding that you have. And more you contribute, people will see, okay, ये इंसान contribute कर रहा है, and then they will also guide you and help you with whatever you want to do.
Okay. मतलब काफी supportive community है in that sense.
बहुत ज़्यादा. Like, I remember one day someone tweeted that I don't know how to start in Web3. He got 400 comments in less than 24 hours just
Wow.
telling him what can be a good starting point.
Okay. So, जैसे you came from commerce background, right? तो learn करने में difficulty हुई because we don't understand the basics of coding. हमने स्कूल में पढ़ा नहीं है, मतलब computers था but एक level तक ही था. हमारे पास 11th 12th में कोई exposure होता नहीं है computers का. So, did you find any difficulty in learning new things and adapting to the new environment that you were entering?
I mean, of course, it's a new environment, so difficulties will always be there. But I won't say coding or understanding science is a pure necessity to understand blockchain technology. When you talk about blockchain or Web3 ecosystem, it's an ecosystem. It have technical side, but at the same time, it also have non-technical side. Hundreds and thousands and lakhs of people are working in Web3 in the non-technical side, and at the same time, same numbers are there, and even more numbers are there on the technical side. Of course, developers and most of the folks in India who are probably engineers or doing engineering, they already have better understanding of technology, so they can prefer or can go into the technical side of blockchain, which is building applications, dApps, etc., on the blockchain. But even if you're non-technical, there's a pretty good amount of things that you can do in Web3.
Okay. So, आप मुझे ये बताइए कि कौन से फाउंडेशनल स्किल्स एक स्टूडेंट के पास होने चाहिए टू गेट इनटू Web3, या फिर कौन से स्किल्स ऐसे हैं जो उसे सबसे पहले फोकस करना चाहिए कि मुझे ये स्किल्स बिल्ड करने चाहिए?
I'd say the basic thing is again, everything comes down to fundamental. Fundamental of learning anything is curiosity. If you're curious, if you're asking questions, if you're searching on Google, if you're going through docs, if you're reading, if you're trying to understand, that's more than enough to start in Web3. You don't need any other skill other than that. Of course, if you have, like, let's say, a technical background and you are trying to, let's say, code your first smart contract or build your first decentralized, or you want to build your first decentralized application on a blockchain,
Hmm.
of course, knowing coding, understanding how code works and all is an advantage for you. But again, everything comes down to if you're curious or not. Let's say, hypothetically speaking, if someone have a specific thing that they want to work on. For example, someone is a Web2 video content creator, for an example, hypothetically, and they want to be like a Web3 video content creator. So what can be a good starting point? Just trying out Web3 projects and creating videos around it. That is like the easiest
Hmm.
thing, where you are nothing but being curious and showcasing Web3 projects to your audience, plus learning with your audience at the same time.
Hmm.
If someone want to be a marketer or a social media manager or even a developer in Web3 ecosystem, anything. If you have, okay, मुझे ये बनना है, the only thing you need is curiosity and see कि बाकी लोग जो इस इंडस्ट्री में, इस प्रोफेशन में काम करते हैं, वो कैसे काम करते हैं. Getting in touch with them, DMing them, asking them questions, because that's something that worked for me. One thing
Hmm.
that is like best about Web3 is कि तुम बड़े से बड़े कंपनी के फाउंडर को भी मैसेज करोगे ना, वो रिप्लाई करता है.
क्या बात
Uh,
है.
of course, it will. He or she will take their own time, but they will reply for sure. And there are, and the whole thing is कि पूरी industry Telegram or Farcaster पे है. Farcaster is like a platform in Web3 ecosystem for folks who work in Web3 and people who are part of the Web3 ecosystem. Something on the similar lines of Twitter. So you can think of Twitter but Web3.
Hmm.
That's like the best way. So you guys can go to Farcaster, create your profiles, and you can DM people there and people will reply for sure. And even world's largest founders. So, like, for example, अगर मुझे marketer बनना है Web3 के अंदर, I'll find who are the good marketers who are working in Web3. I'll drop them a DM. I'll get on a call with them. I'll ask them the question कि आप marketer कैसे बने, मुझे बनना है तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. And they'll help you, they'll guide you. Simple as that. If you're part of communities, join the communities, drop a question. Someone in the community will help for sure. Pretty simple. That's it.
Hmm. That's nice. मतलब यही है कि like if you're really interested about getting into Web3, सबसे पहले you should follow your curiosity, because if that's not there, then you won't like survive here. So follow the curiosity, like and go through the startup school course by A16Z, and then be part of communities, contribute there, DM people, no matter whatever their background is. You can uh, DM experienced people as well, they will reply. It's a supportive community. Okay. uh, मैं थोड़ा सा और like इसके बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ, because this is
Yeah.
something that's interesting and a lot of people want to know about it. So
Yeah.
सबसे ज्यादा इन डिमांड जॉब्स कौन सी हैं Web3 के सर्कल में?
Bro, सारी jobs in demand है, मैं तो बोलूंगा.
Okay.
I mean, again, when everything comes down back to कि what you're looking for, cause Web3 के अंदर jobs हर चीज के लिए. There are internships of front end, back end, UI UX designer, graphic designer. Even right now, I myself am hiring a front end developer for my own company, for the company that I'm working for. Package is
Hmm.
also pretty decent.
Hmm.
Everything comes down to do you have experience in working in that profession at all? Now again, the
Hmm.
question comes down to कि काम चाहिए होता है, experience के लिए and all that stuff. In Web3, it's not like that. In Web3, there are these very cool things called contributions and bounties. Contribution is nothing but if you are part of a community, वो community हजार चीजें कर रही होगी. You can just go and tell the community के जो भी leaders, moderators या कोई भी है कि I want to help the community in this thing. Now that contribution in that community becomes your proof of work. Simple as that. And when
Hmm.
people see, okay, ये इंसान इस community के लिए ये चीजें कर रहा है, वो लोग तुम्हें सामने से approach करेंगे. That तुम
Hmm.
हमारे लिए भी ये कर सकते हो कि नहीं? And that's just like one example. Then there's this thing called bounties. Now, people got introduced to bounties because of the developers and hackers कि bug bounties निकलती है. अगर तुम किसी platform में bug ढूंढोगे तो तुम्हें ऐसा $1 लाख मिलेंगे, $50,000 मिलेंगे. That's how people got introduced to bounty as a term in Web2
Okay.
ecosystem. In
Okay.
Web3, also these things are there, bug bounties and all are there. But there's this platform called Super Team. So there's this website called earn.superteam.fun. They list this thing called bounties, और ये bounties दूसरे projects list करते हैं. Now, example of these bounties can be a deep dive, create a document or a deep dive into an XYZ project. where
Hmm.
you have to do nothing. You have to understand the project, you have to go through their documentation, and you have to create a doc or a blog post explaining that product, explaining the vision, explaining the problem statement, etc. A deep dive, simple as that. And
Hmm.
you can do these bounties, and these bounties will of course pay you well, but at the same time it will become your proof of work that you can showcase if you're applying at a job.
Okay, okay. I
Yeah.
think that's helpful because क्या होता है कि आप कहीं भी like whenever you're applying for a job, people want to hire experienced people. Freshers
Hmm.
को ज़्यादा chance देना नहीं चाहते हैं. So in
Yeah.
that case, it becomes important for freshers to have some proof of work so that they can showcase that, see, I have done work and I'll be able to manage the tasks that will be allotted to me if I'm working.
Yeah,
Okay.
and one more thing that I'd suggest anyone who's trying to get any job in Web3 is get on Twitter and build your
Hmm.
own personal brand and connections and reputation. Cause when you talk about
Hmm.
Web3 ecosystem, again, it's not like a very, very, very huge ecosystem. It's small, and if you're doing something good, you are talking about it publicly. People see it, people engage with it, and people talk about you to others also. So
Hmm.
that's also a good thing. So if you can come on Twitter, you can, let's say, tweet about what you are doing. If you are completing a bounty, you are tweeting about कि मैंने ये bounty complete की है. This is the link people can check out and all.
Hmm.
People see tweets and all, and if someone likes anyone's work, they DM them directly कि bro काम करेगा कि नहीं मेरे साथ. Simple as
Hmm.
that. Like so that's something that I'll also suggest. अगर किसी को Web3 के अंदर job चाहिए, they can do that.
Hmm. ओके सो मैं मान लीजिए अभी एक 18 साल का या 19 साल का बच्चा ये पॉडकास्ट सुन रहा है
Hmm.
और लेट्स ब्रेक इट डाउन फॉर हिम स्टेप बाय स्टेप ठीक है तो सबसे पहले आपने बोला और वो भी कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से ही है सो
Yeah.
उसके लिए सबसे पहले इम्पॉर्टेंट है वो कोर्स करे देन
Hmm.
एनी कम्युनिटी दैट यू कैन सजेस्ट जो वो स्टार्टिंग कर सकता है लाइक वन कम्युनिटी विच इज लाइक वेरी सपोर्टिव एनी सच कम्युनिटी दैट्स ऑन टॉप ऑफ योर हेड
I mean, Super Team is a community that I personally
ओके
suggest most of the folks as a good
सुपर
starting
टीम
point. Yeah,
ठीक है
Super Team DAO is the name. If you know this YouTuber come influencer called Tanmay Bhatt, he is one
या
of the co-founders of the Super Team DAO.
ओके
And it is one of the communities who have supported me and hundreds of people like me who want to work and contribute in the Web3 ecosystem. So yeah, I mean that can be a good starting point. Other
ओके
than that, there's this company in Bangalore called Builders Tribe.
Hmm.
They are also running many different initiatives. Like Scribble DAO is for content writers. So if you're interested in content writing, you can participate and be part of Scribble DAO, and they pay you to write stuff. Pretty simple. There are bounties to write about, let's say, a specific project, a detailed thread, for an example. Then
ओके
they have this contributors network. If you explore Web3 enough, you can be part of this contributor network, and you can contribute, you can try out products in beta testing, you can give them feedback, etc., etc. Many things are there. But yeah, Super
Hmm.
Team can be a good starting point, and down the line, Scribble DAO and Contributors Network by Builder Stripe, these two also can be other communities. And then again, when you get into Web3, there are thousands and thousands of communities. So you yourself will find your own group, I'd say.
ओके ओके एंड कंट्रीब्यूटर्स मतलब ये कम्युनिटी का पार्ट ज्वाइन करने के बाद तो बाउंटीज का जो लाइक प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वो मुझे इन्हीं कम्युनिटीज में मिल जाएंगे या फिर उसके लिए
No,
भी
no.
देयर इज दिस स्पेसिफिक वेबसाइट
So
दैट आई कैन चेक हाँ
yeah, so for Super Team, bounties are there on their own website called earn.superteam.fun. Baki bounties के अंदर it completely depends on your already existing reputation and the proof of work, to be honest.
ओके
Yeah, but for example, Scribble DAO के अंदर bounties open होती है for everyone. But the thing is, it's a bounty, so everyone can't win, but everyone can participate. So let's say if community have 30 people who are good content writers and you also join, so now there are 31. Bounty came out of those 31, probably let's say 10 to 15 people participated. उनमें से जीतेंगे सिर्फ 4 लोग who will win the bounty. But participate सब लोग कर रहे हैं. Again, you have a chance. It's not like you don't have a chance. But yeah, that's how bounties work. There can be 40 submissions for one bounty and उनमें से सिर्फ 3 लोग जीतेंगे. We never know. But yeah, that is like a good starting point of you contributing and building your own proof of work, which is really, really important when we talk about Web3.
absolutely okay and let's just say now I have proof of work
Yeah.
how do I go about approaching people कौन सा platform best है I mean you've mentioned Twitter quite a few times but how do I go about reaching out to people what kind of people should I reach out so that I mean for job purpose basically or internship purpose, like for a long term period कि मेरे को थोड़ा और hands on experience मिले.
See, if internship is something that you're looking for, just searching on Twitter, Web3 internships, you will see the tweets of companies and HRs of these companies and founders of these companies tweeting that they are hiring for this intern, this intern, this intern, this intern. So
Okay.
you can just drop them an email क्योंकि उन लोगों ने अपना email share किया होगा, or they would have shared like an application form of Glassdoor or Wellfound, or they would have said to drop your resume or portfolio in their DMs.
Okay.
That can be like the best way to find these internships. Otherwise, there are websites like Web3 Jobs, Web3 Career, and there are Telegram groups about Web3 jobs specifically. Then you are part of all these communities. Like there's this very cool community called Superwoman DAO, which is basically a community by Aditi Chopra. She's from Bangalore only, if I'm not wrong. She's currently in Bangalore, and she built this community specifically to help women who want to work in Web3 or who are already working in Web3. And
Okay.
when you're part of these kind of communities, like even Super Team, Scribble DAO, etc., in communities के अंदर ही you would see all these job applications and people who are hiring for these job applications. And you can just directly DM them because you are also part of the community. They are also part of the community, so you already know each other. So, it's not like you are DMing a random stranger. You already know each other and you know that they are hiring and you tell them, hey, I'd love to apply for it. And that it's like a faster process. And that's how, to be honest, I got like my current job also. Like, I told my friend, ki, bro, I'm looking for this position. He created a Telegram group with this guy and he connected, ki, bro, he's hiring. You are looking, talk to each other now. I'm like,
Wow.
okay, that's cool.
That was quick.
Yeah, and the thing is, interviews and all happened in less than 3 days. I had my job offer.
Wow.
So that 3 things work really fast. That's the.
Okay. So now I have a job, let's say. How do I learn more things about Web3? Any recommendations for, जैसे आपने वो चैनल तो बताया ही था, but कोई blogs या कोई newsletter, any like website or any specific personality that I should follow to learn more things and stay updated in the Web3 community?
Yeah, so that's the thing, na? Web3 in itself is a very vague term. You can't learn Web3. Web3 is an ecosystem of projects that utilize blockchain technology. That's how personally explained. So, uske andar there are different industries in itself. Like there's DeFi, there is SocialFi, there's GameFi, there is NFTs, there is crypto token, there's DAOs, there's RWAs, and just like that, there are multiple more sectors which comes under the umbrella of Web3. Now the thing is, hypothetically speaking, if you are already doing a job, you will have a job at a startup that's working in one of these sectors, probably. So let's say if you are working in a startup or a project जो DeFi sector के अंदर आता है, then just go on Twitter and search best DeFi folks. You will see tweets of people जिन लोगों ने best DeFi के लोगों को tag करके रखा है. There are tweets telling कि अगर तुम्हें DeFi के बारे में सीखना है, these are the top 10, top 50 people you should follow. अगर तुम्हें RWA के बारे में सीखना है, these are the top 10 people. So it is like a pretty good starting point. And again, when I say Twitter is where Web3 is, I'm not kidding, क्योंकि it is. Like बड़े से बड़ी खबर पहले Twitter पे आती है, फिर न्यूज चैनल बताते हैं Web3 के बारे में. That's how fast it is.
And not just for Web3, I think सभी चीजों के लिए सबसे पहले ट्विटर पे इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाती है, because न्यूज चैनल्स वाले तो थोड़ा लैग चलता है उनका.
हाँ, that's true. So yeah, I mean, if you are already working in Web3, being active on Twitter, interacting with tweets, following these profiles and interacting with their tweets, क्योंकि there are profiles जो Twitter threads लिखती है, research papers लिखती है, articles लिखती है, videos बनाते हैं. Depending on your sector, you have to filter, and that's why there is no one answer कि तुम इसे follow करो, Web3 सीख जाओगे. वैसा कुछ है ही नहीं, क्योंकि इसके अपने अलग sectors हैं और उसके अपने अलग profiles से who talk about that specific sector only.
Okay. Got it. ठीक है. So अब आई थिंक Web3 के तो काफी सारे एस्पेक्ट्स हमने कवर कर लिए हैं. रिसोर्सेज भी पता चल गए. फ्रेशर्स के लिए क्या पैकेजेस वगैरह होते हैं, एंड क्या मोस्टली अभी जो हायरिंग्स हो रही हैं, लाइक यू आल्सो मेंशन दैट इट्स अ कंपनी दैट्स incorporated in Singapore. So like whatever opportunities that we are seeing in Web3, like let's just say like an Indian student is listening to this podcast. सो उनको भी क्या मोस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज बाहर से ही मिलने वाली हैं, एंड सैलरी पैकेजेस क्या रहते हैं फॉर फ्रेशर्स?
Again, as I said, it completely depends on your proof of work. Even if you are a fresher, but your proof of work is good, you can get 20 to 30 LPA package. Even if you're fresh, even if you are, let's say, 5 years experienced, but your proof of work is really bad, you won't even get 15 LPA. So it completely depends on your proof of work. I have seen 17, 18 years. Also, there's this very cool person called Gajesh. He's like currently 16, 17, or I guess 18-year-old. He is working as a core founding engineer at one of the largest Web3 company. He have his own fund through which he invests. He have his own brands and like very cool person, and he's still 16, 17 year old. So technically उसने I guess अभी school भी खत्म नहीं किया और पढ़ाई छोड़ चुका है. I don't know. But the thing is, because his proof of work is pretty strong, that's why he's a core engineer at one of Web3's largest company called Eagle Layer. So yeah, it completely depends on your proof of work. That's why it doesn't matter तुम fresher हो, तुम fresher नहीं हो. If you have built a strong proof of work, if you have built a network, if you are part of communities, getting a job won't be hard.
ओके, सो लाइक ऑन एन एवरेज 20 to 30 LPA तो आराम से स्कोर कर सकते हैं अगर आपका
I mean,
प्रूफ ऑफ.
see, I'm a person जो टेक्निकली पूरी जिंदगी इंट्रोवर्ट रहा है, जिसने 12th के बाद पढ़ाई छोड़ दी है, जो कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से आता है, एंड आई हैव अ प्रीटी डिसेंट पैकेज ऑफ रफली 40 LP, और मैं अभी 21 का हुआ भी नहीं हूँ. Like legit 21 का I will turn 21 in like 6 August this year. So I can get that. But because I spent the last 1.5, 2 years actively building my proof of work, reputation, network, connections in Web3. तो मैंने वो 2 साल दिए तब जाके मैं इधर हूँ. If, as I said, if people will give time, if they genuinely will build their proof of work, if they'll get good at the skills, and at the same time having connections. These two things, good proof of work plus connections, can give you very good job. That's simple it is.
अमेजिंग. ठीक है, सो प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क कैसे बिल्ड करना है वो भी हम डिस्कस कर ही चुके हैं, कनेक्शंस कैसे बिल्ड करने हैं वो भी हमने कर ही चुके हैं कवर. वन थिंग दैट आई एम लाइक I want to talk about is brand building, because you've been focusing on that also. आप अभी भी अपने ब्रांड को भी जो है बिल्ड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसमें आई बिलीव जो मार्केटिंग का एक नैक है वो होना चाहिए. So you have a following of 17K people on Twitter. Let's talk about marketing and a little bit about content creation and eventually like अपना personal brand कैसे build करें, so that we can, because network तो तभी अच्छा आएगा when people lot of people will follow, तभी जो है network expand होगा. So what are your thoughts on that?
I mean, personal brand जैसा भी network तो उसके बिना भी बन सकता है. That's what I believe in. When we talk about networking, it's nothing but pure barter of value. What you bring on the table, what the other person gets. Even if you don't have, let's say, 1 lakh followers on Twitter, but you have a value that the other person wants, you can create networks. It's simple as that. But yeah, if we talk about from a personal brand perspective completely, one secret hack that I'll tell everyone, अगर उन्हें Web3 के अंदर अपना personal brand बनाना है, that would be create video content about Web3.
Okay.
Simple as that. When I say video content about Web3, I'm not talking about tokens. I'm talking about purely what you love. If you love content writing, create videos about content writing and just showcase कि तुम content कैसे लिखते हो और तुम content लिखो और उसे publish करो. If you are into coding, just create videos about code. Simple as that. Currently, Web3 don't have an X amount of video content creators, and video content creators का इतना ज़्यादा potential है ना, like we all see video content creators क्या crazy काम कर रहे हैं Web2 industry के अंदर, from YouTubers to podcaster to entertainers to wine creators to what not. Web3 के अंदर उसका 0.01% भी नहीं है. This is the opportunity when we talk about creating a personal brand. अगर किसी को बनाना है Web3 के अंदर, video content is the way. If you don't want to go for video content, then audio form mein podcast is there, Twitter Spaces is there, audio content on Twitter directly is there. You can upload voice recordings and all.
Okay.
Twitter writing side mein you can go with Twitter threads and all, because not many people are writing. I mean, many people are writing Twitter threads, so you have like very high competition. But again, if you are a good Twitter thread writer, you will go viral. yeah, I mean, these are the three things that I personally use to build, like, let's say, my following and brand on Twitter. I went for video content because that's something that I love, I am comfortable with. If you're not comfortable, no worries, but that's an opportunity that if someone is comfortable, can tap in for sure. Uh,
For sure.
but again, when you talk about personal brand, remember being authentic and showing your genuine self, cause तुम
Absolutely.
fake बनोगे ना, लोगों को पता चल जाता है Web3 के अंदर. I've personally seen so many fake people in Web3, so that thing is there. But you know, just showing your genuinity. If you don't understand, just saying कि मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा, समझते हैं साथ में हम लोग. For example, there's this concept called LSTs, which is liquid staking tokens. Now पहली बार सुनते हैं, समझ ही नहीं आता क्या है ये. Just creating a video where you are going through the documents and other videos explaining liquid staking tokens, that in itself is a video content. That's more than enough.
Like finding the right resources to read कि ये इसको अगर समझना भी है तो उसके resources को find करना ही can be a video topic in itself.
Exactly. And these things can go viral like nothing. So, you know, like, that's an opportunity which I feel enough people are not tapping in. I'm still not sure why. But I'd suggest अगर किसी को करना है तो कर लो, मौका है. कि अगले 4-5 साल के बाद शायद नहीं रहेगा, बट अभी तो.
I believe like इतना optimistic view Web3 के बारे में, like मेरा भी first time exposure है, तुषार मैं बता दूं, मुझे भी Web3 के बारे में इतना वो नहीं है. I come from like a very different background, like startup करा है, mostly in education and a very like जो हमारा traditional education system है उसी का ही मेरा exposure रहा है. But this seems very interesting. ठीक है. अभी आप ये बताइए, जैसे आप अपना करियर Web3 में मार्केटिंग में बना रहे हैं, राइट?
Yeah.
Okay. So अगर if somebody listening to this podcast also wants to get into marketing within the Web3 circle, तो अब उसके लिए क्या resources हैं, क्या approach होनी चाहिए उस इंसान की to learn, to get more exposure into marketing?
Yeah, so I mean, this is a question which, like, one of the community members itself asked me a couple of days back only, to be honest. So I have my answer prepared. I mean, when we talk about marketing, marketing is marketing. Web3, Web2 कुछ अलग खास है नहीं. Marketing is nothing but you have a product, you have to show it in such a way that people gets interested and try it out. Simple as that. The easiest way, if you talk about resource, just seeing कि बाकी projects और companies जो Web3 के अंदर है वो क्या कर रही है. Like इस podcast के अंदर I would have named easily 6 to 10 companies. Just searching the company's name, seeing कि वो marketing के लिए क्या क्या कर रही है, understanding कि वो marketing के लिए अगर मुझे किसी भी company के लिए ये same चीज करनी है तो वो कैसे plan करनी होगी, उसके अंदर क्या क्या steps होंगे, steps of execution क्या होगा, requirements क्या होगी, उसका budget कितना होना चाहिए. Just creating and doing this one activity on daily basis or even weekly basis is a very good starting point. अगर तुम डेली बेसिस पे ये कर रहे हो, 30 दिन में तुम 30 कंपनीज के 30 मार्केटिंग कैंपेन समझो, which is a very good starting point for anyone who want to get into marketing. Now, once you, like, let's say, do it for a month or two, even parallelly, you can find new or interesting Web3 projects और तुम उनके लिए एक प्लान बना के उन्हें DM कर दो. Like उनके फाउंडर्स को ढूंढना इतना मुश्किल नहीं ऑन ट्विटर, और इवन उनके कंपनी प्रोफाइल पे DM कर सकते हो. Hey, I saw your project, I found it really cool, created a nice marketing campaign, do check it out, let me know what are your thoughts. Simple as that.
Interesting.
मजाक नहीं कर रहा, मैंने ये चीजें की है. मेरे दोस्तों ने की है, and it
people
is a
reply.
people do reply because it's Web3. And even if people don't reply in like on, let's say, Twitter DMs because your profile is not big or verified and all, you are part of communities ना. कम्युनिटीज के अंदर बाकी लोग जिन प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए काम करते हैं वो अपने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं. यू नो, ये इंसान इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए काम करता है, ये इंसान इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए काम करता है. स्टडी दैट प्रोजेक्ट, क्रिएट ए कैंपेन, उस बंदे को डीएम कर ले, सिंपल. और ये सेम कम्युनिटी के मेंबर्स है, वो लोग क्यों नहीं देखेंगे? दैट can be a very easy way to even pitch yourself, to build your proof of work in the marketing and to practice marketing in itself. Because जब तुम अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए मार्केटिंग कैंपेन्स क्रिएट करते हो, तुम्हारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि इस प्रोजेक्ट को कैसे मार्केट करना है वो भी बढ़ती है. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, Web3 के अंदर एक, लेट्स से, NFT का प्रोजेक्ट है. पहले तो देखना कि बाकी NFT प्रोजेक्ट्स अपने आप को कैसे मार्केट कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या चीजें कर रहे हैं. देन assuming कि मेरा दोस्त है, उसका एक NFT कलेक्शन ऑफ this, creating a campaign for it is a very cool practice in the market, and that's what I'll suggest. And one thing that I feel a lot of marketers lack or generally don't consider is the details in these campaigns. I've seen marketers, I've met marketers जिनको अगर campaign बनाने को बोले वो लोग बना के दे देंगे, but that'd be a very rough campaign. What I
Hmm.
suggest that if you are even practicing this thing, create a
Hmm.
detailed campaign where you consider each and every situation. You write down कि कौन सा step of action कौन से दिन पे कितने time तक execute हो जाना चाहिए. Give yourself a deadline in the campaign. उसके लिए
Hmm.
सैम्पल कंटेंट पीजिए. फॉर एग्जांपल यू क्रिएटेड अ कैंपेन, उसको तुम सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू पुश करोगे. सोशल मीडिया के कंटेंट के भी सैंपल्स तुम लिख लो उसके अंदर, उसके भी
Hmm.
वेरिएशंस लिखो अलग
Yeah.
अलग वॉइस टोन के साथ. नो when you
Hmm.
do all these things na, then it's a proper campaign and it's a proper proposal that you can pitch or
Yeah.
showcase someone. The 10 लाइनें चैट जीपीटी से लिख के कोई भी दिखा सकता है. That's not like marketing.
Hmm. Right. So,
Yeah, I mean
I
this
think
can
the
be like
more
one way of marketers to start. Yeah, sorry, continue.
No, I was just saying कि वो attention to detail and completeness होनी चाहिए whatever you're submitting, and तभी तो सामने वाले को trust होगा ना कि that this person has put in the efforts to create this. This person must be like really creative, or this person must know his stuff. वो skin in the game शायद पता चलता है, and that's when people want to invest in you. If you don't have faith in your capabilities, or if you don't have confidence in your capabilities, nobody else is going to, right? So
Yeah.
थोड़ा like motivational हो गया, but I hope the audience gets the gist of it.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you have to do something to trust her. You are a random stranger DMing a random stranger. Why will they trust you? You have to show them proof by showing the efforts.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Uh, any tips for students, or anything else that you want to cover, that you
I
want to
mean,
talk about?
I guess the only thing that I'll give even my own younger self and like any student who is listening to it is that
Hmm.
don't be lazy, yaar. I mean, don't wait for yourself to get the resource जो 2 साल 3 साल के बाद या birthday पे मिलेगा. If your mobile phone, if you're watching this video in any platform, you can just do Google search and you can start. Pretty simple. Twitter चलाने के लिए तुम्हें लैपटॉप नहीं चाहिए, तुम्हारे पास मोबाइल होना चाहिए, and you can start using the Twitter. Same with communities on Discord or Telegram. Same with watching videos, doing A16 the startup school course or watching those videos. Because it's free. It's not like you have to pay. सारी चीजें free में है. Just don't procrastinate, cause I'm telling you, the time that you guys have it और वो वापस नहीं आएगा. And this is the time to experiment, try out stuff, be bad at it. गलतियां करने का ये वक्त है, क्योंकि इन गलतियों से तुम सीख के आगे जाके ठीक काम करोगे. लेकिन फ्यूचर में गलती करने का टाइम या मौका मिले कि नहीं, वी डोंट नो. तो अभी मौका है तो कर लो गलतियां. Yeah, I mean,
Right.
that's the only thing that I'll suggest to anyone who's watching this video.
Awesome. Loved it. तुषार, thank you so much for taking out time and doing this. बहुत मजा आया. बहुत सारी insights पता चली Web3 के बारे में, Web3 ecosystem के बारे में. And to be honest, I am new to this. Like, I have read here and there about blockchain, about DeFi, about everything like NFTs, etc. सबने वो ऊपर ऊपर से सब कुछ पढ़ा है, but I think talking in detail has given me a lot more clarity. वरना थोड़े टाइम पहले तक तो हम यही सुन रहे थे कि ब्लॉकचेन फैड है और जल्दी से लाइक वो हो जाएगा, बट आई ऑलवेज हैड like an inclination towards understanding more about blockchain. Time nahi mila, but thank you so much for educating me also and the listeners also about the Web3 ecosystem, the blockchain, and how to make a career in it. So thank you so much. And guys, do follow Tushar on Twitter. I'll be putting his links, his socials in the description. Instagram, Twitter, and if you want any sort of guidance, he's a very nice person, very humble. He'll definitely help you out. And being part of the Web3 community, वो supportive वाला कीड़ा already है उनके अंदर, as you can realize while listening the podcast. So reach out to him, follow him, check out his content as well, and support him also. So that's
Yeah,
it.
I mean, always there to support folks who are actually and genuinely curious. So why not? Sure. And it was my pleasure to come here and to tell all these things. So thank you so much to invite me, Pooja.
Thank you.